We're talking keto and carnivore might not be the best long-term sustainable diet. We'll break down how these low-carb diets might be affecting your body and why adding healthy carbohydrates like fruit can be a complete game changer. Let's get into it. Keto and carnivore diets have gained popularity for weight loss and certain health benefits, but they may not be suitable for everyone. Here's why. One major issue with very low carbohydrate diets is that they can increase cortisol levels, a stress hormone. Elevated cortisol can lead to muscle breakdown. So if you're eating very low carbohydrates, your body will use its muscles to maintain its own blood sugar. If you're a healthy person, your average blood sugar should be around 100 or less. If your blood sugar drops too low, for example, if you get into the 50s and 40s, you can actually go into what's called a hypoglycemic coma, and this could be life-threatening. Let's talk about insulin. Even on a low-carbohydrate diet, eating a lot of protein will stimulate insulin secretion. Amino acids from proteins like leucine can trigger an insulin response. This helps your cells to absorb the amino acids and to build proteins. But here's the catch though. When you don't eat carbs, a high-protein meal can cause a sharp drop in blood sugar levels. And when your blood sugar drops, your body responds by releasing adrenaline and cortisol to bring your blood sugars back to a healthy state. And it does so by cortisol breaking down your muscle tissue and turning it into sugar through a process called gluconeogenesis. This is why most carnivore and keto people say like, oh, well, you don't need carbohydrates. Your body can make its own through gluconeogenesis. Yes, but through a costly mechanism by breaking down your muscle tissue. And this can make it even harder to build or even maintain your muscle tissue. So how can incorporating healthy carbs help? Carbohydrates like fruits and honey are actually lower on the glycemic index compared to starchy foods like white bread or potatoes. This means they don't cause a dramatic increase in blood glucose levels and makes it a great option to maintain a healthy blood sugar level. An example meal would be something like Greek yogurt with fruit or honey, or even some grilled chicken with apples and honey drizzled over the apples. These meals provide a great source of protein and carbohydrates, and this will help to maintain your blood sugar levels throughout the day. So while keto and carnivore might offer short-term benefits, and to be honest, the benefits are coming from eliminating junk food entirely, incorporating some healthy carbs like fruit or honey can provide long-term sustainability. They help to preserve muscle mass and maintain energy levels. It will also help to keep those stress hormones in check. If you guys found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up. And if you guys have any questions about anything, please drop a comment below. Take care, guys.